Wednesday, the 25th of February 2026, where the Irish last there. I finally found Flamey. She's in the surgery 1 with her brand new foal by Zoo Nation, and I thought I was in for hello with her. She had her ears out a minute ago, and I was going to stroke her nose and she put her ears back. So doesn't look like going to get hello with her today. But there's a foal. She had a filly. She had a filly foal, and she's at the 50 years now, but unfortunately she has her ears back again. But she had her ears out a second ago. But I thought I was going for a hello, but she has her ears back again. So you got her?
Yeah.
There she's there. She has a lovely filly there. Get one over. I'll get this for her next time. I'll get this for her. Wednesday, the 25th of February 2026, we're in the Irish National Club there. Now I'm at surgery 1, the Flaming Princess, and a filly foal by Zoo Nation. Now we were all over the place trying to find her. For long last I found her. She's here now, the surgery 1 with her filly foal. She's gorgeous. I thought I was in for hello with her, but she had her ears out, or ears pointed out outward, which means it's a good sign to get hello. Apparently I couldn't get a hello with her. I couldn't get a hello with her. The second I tipped her nose, she put her ears back. So I'm not getting hello with her love. So here she is anyway. There's a filly there behind her. I think looks amazing, as you can see.
Ears still back though.
Ears still back again, yeah. I got 2 photographs with her when she was in the Sunshine yard. The 8th of February, and then again the 11th of February. Both times she was calm, relaxed, got ears out. She was very relaxed at the time. She wasn't she didn't have a foal. She was relaxed. Since she had a foal, she's gone back to where she was. Actually being aggressive again, so there she is. It's very awkward. I'm not very shocked at this. It's very awkward because she's very close to the gate, very close to the fence, and her exactly again very good time. This is the foal here anyway. Trying to get hello with me here. Hello. Hello. How are you? The mom's actually very willing to say hello to me, is she? Hey, you got your ears straight back again, Flamey. Hey, your ears straight back again. Yeah? Have you? Have your ears straight back again? Yes, look at your ears straight back again, yeah. Yeah, I thought I was going to get hello from you today. Yeah? I was looking forward to say hello to you today, girl. I was looking forward to say hello to you today, girl. I was? Yeah. I was looking forward to saying hello to you today, girl. It's excited to see a new foal today. Yeah? I'm looking forward to seeing your foal today. Yeah? You want to let me say hello to you? Come on, girl. You don't have to look like that flan, no? Hey? Yeah, are you gonna get shot at her? You gonna get shot at her face?
Yeah.
What do I do to get a face? Like, go up this way, over here?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, good shot there.
Over here, do
Yeah. Careful now, she might bite.
I think I'll restart that video. That was crap, wasn't it? This is Wednesday, the 25th of February 2026. So the hours passed up today. I'm at the surgery where we're playing princess with our fall by Zoo Nation. There. Actually, fall by Zoo Nation. Yeah, it's blaming here. I was trying to get hello with her. I was searching the whole stuff for her all over the place, couldn't find her. I eventually found her. I was trying to get, she had her ears outwards. So this time to say hello, then she was supposed to pet her nose, she did her ears back. So she's gone back to square one. To the way she was before. So just going back up to get hello with her today. Hey? I was very excited to see your new folk girl. You won't let me say hello to her, will you? Hey? Well, let me say hello to her, will you? Okay, get a shot of her there.
Yeah.
Oh! The phone's beautiful, girl. Is it all beautiful today?
Yeah.
Well, let me say hello to me, though. Huh?
Yeah.
Watch her there, she might... If you just sit back again, girl. Isn't that full beautiful?
Yeah.
The bay, yeah. And last year was very dark. Remember, it was nearly black. Remember?
Yeah.
It was nearly black. Last one was nearly black. Last year was nearly black. And it was a cold. It was cold last year. It was a cold last year, wasn't it? Cold, wasn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Last year's one was cold, wasn't it? Yeah. Come on, girl, can I not say hello to you? I'm looking forward to seeing a foal, girl. Come on. Come on, girl, let me say hello to you. Come on, Flaming. There's Lane. Hello, Lane. Come on, girl, let me say hello to you today now. Now, come on, Flamey. Come on, Flamey. Good girl, girl. Trying to get a good shot of the two of them together. Get a photograph for Anna, you know. At the moment, it's too awkward when they're very close to the gate. hold it there, will you press that button there, Lee?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, good now.
Put the phone off there. That's nice. Good video. That's the first one, I think. But this is the first one. I think the first one's rubbish, isn't it? Because like, wasn't actually very good. So I wasn't not too sure. I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think this one's better. Because I got a better angle in that one, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, she looks well, doesn't she?
Doesn't she?
Huh? You look amazing, girl. You look amazing, girl. You know that? I wish you'd say hello to me. I wish you'd say hello to me, girl. Maybe. You should say hello to me, girl. Maybe. Come on, girl. You're not going to say hello to me now. Hey? You're not going to say hello to me, girl. We can't say hello to you. We can't say hello to you, girl. Hey? Come on, girl. I'm looking forward to seeing you. You know, I thought they'd let me say hello to you in the Sundays yard last Friday when you had to go. 10 days overdue, by the way. You know that you're due the 10th. You know that you're due the 10th. And you had to fall last Friday. You're 10 days overdue. Yes. I was excited. I thought they were going to let me say hello to you in the Sundays yard, but they wouldn't let us go near you. Nobody was allowed to go down. So I had to wait till today to see it. Yeah, so I was searching all over the place. Couldn't find you anywhere. I had to go to the office to see what project you were in. So they found you here in surgery 1 and you're here, just only 2 of you here. There's no mayor down there. I'll see you down at the mayor's. There's one at the back. I'm not going to get hello to her. I don't like the man. I'll come back to you in a minute.
Pavio?
No, just look back.
Yeah. 3 of you can't. There's another field. Surgery 2 has horses as well. Surgery 3 has horses as well. Surgery 3 has horses as well. What? Surgery 2 down there, yeah. Yeah. Try, yeah. Good idea, she's gone.
She's gone.
Yeah. And to answer right, and the beaches.
Cheese.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Queen.
Ocean Bliss. Ocean Bliss.
The car's got two names, Ali.
Yeah, two tigers, same name. Ocean Bliss, the second one as well.
That's nice. Well, that's the one that's in the car, is it? Oh. Lovely name, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh! Genie girl! Go easy! Go easy, girl! My God, go easy! Jesus, I'm not going to attack you. Why give me grass? Isn't she?
Mm.
Do you see who the full fight?
Yeah, hang on. Hang on, let me see. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, my hands are full of grass.
See that? Lucky Vega, Chestnut filly.
Oh, she's windsucking. You're a windsucking girl, are you? Is that car going down?
Yeah,
We can pick up the horses now.
yeah, probably.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's nice marking. There's lovely marking on it.
What you call it again? Ocean Spray, is it?
Ocean Bliss.
Ocean what?
Ocean Bliss.
Bliss, yeah.
Yeah. Lovely name.
Mm.
They're going to be the new mares. Oh! So that's one of the new mares. What's she doing? What's she doing, girl? Smelling me, are you? Testing me, girl, are you? What are you doing? Hey! What's she doing? What's she doing, girl? She's trying to read something, is she? She's trying to read something, is she? Huh? Very jumpy. Isn't she?
Yeah.
Moistly.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is there a horse at the game there? Are they going in? Are they going in? Is she going in?
I don't see anything. No.
She's not?
No, not at the moment.
Lovely mare, isn't she? She's very, bleh. I won't keep her head still. Oh, the name. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God, you got that? Is that Flamey?
Could be, I'm not sure.
Go on, see if I can feel the flaming across. She's a bit agitated, isn't she?
No, I wouldn't say so. You stay here, isn't it? You got a good thing going here. You might never get flamed to the fence again today.
Huh?
You might never get to the fence again today.
That's not flaming.
No, I mean flaming over there.
Get flaming. I want to see if I can feel the grass.
She won't get her to the fence again, I'd say.
Huh?
You won't get her to the fence again. That's not her.
Will I transfer at the gate?
Stay here. Look, you have one at the gate here. You have one at the fence here. She's fine.
Her head won't stay still. She keeps moving her head all over the place.
Oh, it's gone now anyway, look. Hello. Hello.
What's her name?
Obja. O-J-O-O-B-A.
Oh, she's new. One of the new mares. They send her. They bought a few new mares.
Yeah.
Just wondering I get it.
Yeah, think so. Soon anyway. Yeah. Tiny pause video. Pause video. Pause video. Yeah.